Okay, so we just dropped in at Chick-fil-A again in Houston, this time north, near Cyprus. Got here a medium cup of their Nugget ice, and it's quite interesting. Look how much bigger it is than the Nugget ice you get at Sonic. Now, I mean, the service here is typical Chick-fil-A, unbelievable, like chicken sandwich, this drink, a Coke. I reckon we were round the loop in less than a minute. Nugget ice cubes, much bigger. So, wow, they're quite different to Sonic ice cubes. If we kind of look at the average size of these are much bigger. They're also much less aerated, which they tend to fall apart in your mouth when you chew them. They you can feel them break in half relatively easy. So there's kind of two halves, but the chewing from then on is actually a little bit tougher, and in some cases it looks like in the machine they kind of form longer icicles before they're then broken. Again, pretty dry. I mean, it's pretty warm day today. That's a pretty good looking cup of ice. I'd say this is definitely more of a firm chew than Sonic, at least than the one we had yesterday. Much bigger Nugget ice. You can still see the air bubbles throughout. But listen, that is a much harder chew than Sonic. And yeah, just generally much bigger ice cubes. But service was great as always from Chick-fil-A. Got a nice sandwich. Probably have to go look around the loop again and get another. But yeah, that's how the Sonic ice compares. Well, no, I should call it the Nugget ice when I'm at Chick-fil-A, but much bigger. I'd say average pellet is probably twice the size at least, some of them if not 3 times my volume, and a little bit harder, less aerated, if you like, more of a, for the pro chewer maybe it's the hard stuff that you move on to when you're done with Sonic. But yeah, pretty good stuff.